Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass, and this is the brand new night sight mode on the Google Pixel devices. Now I say the devices because this is not limited to the brand new Google Pixel 3. If you have an original Pixel or XL, or the Pixel 2 and XL, and obviously the brand new Pixel 3 and the 3 XL, you're going to be able to use night mode with a new update to the built-in camera. So, let's take a look. So first off, a very brief introduction into what night sight actually does. The best way to think of night sight is HDR plus also a long exposure to really bring out those dark areas in photos. And when I say dark areas, I mean basically pitch black. This thing is kind of like magic in regards to what it can or cannot see, and it actually can see more than a human eye can in very dark lit environments. But enough of what night sight is and how good it is, let's actually take a look at some sample photos. And slight spoiler alert, they are extremely good. So as you can see from those photos, a lot of them were shot in pretty much dark or pitch black environments late at night, and you can see that a ton of photos have some really nice light to them that wouldn't have necessarily been there before. Now yes, it can look a little bit strange in some of the photos that makes it look extremely bright. Bringing out the sky, for example, in a very dark night can look a little bit weird, but it also makes a very nice and pleasing photo if that's what you're going for. It's a little bit disappointing that it can't be used in conjunction with other modes, so you can't really use it that well on the selfie camera, and you can't really use it with portrait mode either, which would have been really awesome to have, but again, maybe that's coming in a later software update, or just with the next Pixel device. But I want to know what you guys think in the comments down below. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on night sight, and if you think it's actually that good or that useful, or if it kind of ruins photography. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up down below. And if you've got any questions or comments about night sight, then let me know in the comments section below or on Twitter at Copper vs Glass. If you haven't yet got the night sight update for your Pixel device, it will be coming very soon, but I will also drop the APK file down below if you want to install it yourself to get it a little bit early. For more great content moving forward, don't forget to subscribe. I'm Michael from Copper vs Glass. Thanks very much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.